to be very, very quiet. We're hunting nest eggs. Let's see. He seems to be dropping everything this way.
I mean, it's a GoPro, so it's indestructible, right?
And rinse and repeat. That'll be whatever he can get done today before he goes out of town. So see how good. All right, back out here. You can see who else is back. Guess he's well rested from his vacation. So he can come out here and knock this whole thing out today. If you saw in the last video, he got a decent amount out of the way, and now he's continuing that. Oh, he's got jokes. He's got jokes. He's gonna see if I'm gonna move. I'm not moving. I'm settled on this spot. Okay, maybe I will move. So you know by now what Chris is gonna do. He's gonna not only dig up trees and move them, but he's going to methodically place said trees and brush and keep a organized workspace. This is the only day we're going to get to work this week because we've got 4 inches of snow coming, which for us is a lot. That's going to turn the ground to horrible mud, so there won't be any more work here this week after today. Next week, Chris is going to be at our other job site that I did a little short on, where we're starting that 13,000 square foot build. So he's going to try and get as much done as he can. I doubt he can. Well, I know he can't. He's not going to get all this cleared today, but he's going to work on it. So I'm going to shut up and let the time lapse take over, and we'll check back in with Chris later. That's quite the burn pile. I wish he had it lit right now because it's freezing. Snow coming. I guess Chris decided to get a few hours in before it comes. The rest of the week is going to be trash. Birds check this out. See what's going on. Thought it was drone for a second. Because I am going back down to the pool to hook up the last pump, hopefully get that done today so I can get that video out to y'all. You'll probably see this video before you see that video. That video's been 2.5 months in the making, and a little spare time, bad weather, of course, aside from when I was down from surgery. I've been in there kind of hooking things up, so I'll try and get that video to you next. Well, the blizzard of 25 is set in. So Chris got about a half day in. He's headed out. And you see, did get some pretty large brush piles stacked up. And he just has this little bit left, that corner. Getting back, so He's about 2/3 of the way done. Well, I say that, but actually it's clearing a little bit over there, not a lot. There's a reason for it that we'll talk about when it gets closer. I've got to get that deer feeder off. Maybe put some feed in there. Anyway, yeah, so while he's at it, he'll fix that ditch. It's there's not really one on that side, but it kind of forms one that we put that little pipe under the road there. But it always kind of gets real weird there. We need to clean that up anyway, so we'll do that. And think about where that brush pile is where we're going to set the house. We'll see. And then we're going to plant what we want around and get all that going and yada yada. So yeah, so right here is where that second burn pile is here. This is about where it levels out decently. So I think that's where we're going to set it. And there'll be a whole row of privacy trees planted along on that side. And then this side is getting some living oaks down through here on both sides to make like a pathway to the pond. Appreciate everybody. Was hoping we'd be done, but you know, weather didn't cooperate with us. So, like I said, next week Chris is on some other jobs, one of them being another actual paying project of mine, so actually need to do work so we get paid. Would be helpful. We'll be doing some more, pouring some more concrete next week and finishing up some pool pump stuff. So cool, fun stuff coming up. Hope everybody's staying warm, or if you're in the tropics, hope you're staying comfortable, I guess would be the word. So see you next time.